Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and Finance Minister of our Telangana State, Sri Mallu Batti Vikram Garu, respected Industries and IT Minister, Telangana State, Sri P. Sridhar Babu Garu, esteemed Minister for Roads and Buildings, Telangana State, Sri Komatiredi Venkatreddy Garu, distinguished guests, colleagues, friends, students, press and media, a warm good morning to all of you. It's my privilege to welcome you all to the 73rd Indian Pharmaceutical Congress. We are gathered in the vibrant and ever-evolving city of Hyderabad, a city of synonymous with pharmaceutical excellence and innovation. This edition of IPC promises to deliver innovative solutions for global healthcare challenges. I must extend our heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Sri Anumal Revanth Reddy Garu, who could not be here with us due to prior commitments. He sends his greetings to this inspiring gathering for the grand success of this event. His unwavering support for the pharmaceutical sector is deeply appreciated. My deepest greetings and gratitude to our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana, Sri Mallu Batti Vikram Garu. Your esteemed sir, your esteemed presence here today highlights the strong support of the Telangana government for posting advancements in the healthcare sector. We are truly honored and grateful to have you with us. Extending our warm welcome and heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Minister Sri D. Sridhar Babu Garu and Sri Komatiredi Venkatreddy Garu. Sir, your participation today highlights your dedication to enhancing healthcare and promoting scientific innovation in Telangana State, sir. We deeply appreciate all your support. A heartfelt welcome also goes out to all distinguished dignitaries, friends, colleagues from the Indian Pharmaceutical Congress Association, pharmaceutical and pharmacy industries, and most important, dear students of prestigious pharma and pharmacy institutions who are the future of this industry. Seeing 12,000 health professionals gathered to discuss the future of our global health is truly inspirational. This remarkable assembly demonstrates how focused events can shape the future of our industry and improve health outcomes worldwide. Our proud nation, India, has made significant advancements in science across various sectors, boosting global health and well-being. India's role as the pharmacy of the world is a testament to our unparalleled dedication and expertise. The theme of this Congress, Role of Indian Pharma for Global Well-being, highlights our commitment to this mission. With initiatives like Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, we have been able to meet critical domestic healthcare needs, ensuring that millions of Indians have access to affordable and quality healthcare. Our Telangana State prestigious health scheme, Rajiv Arogya Shri scheme, under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and his colleague ministers, aimed at providing quality healthcare to economically disadvantaged individuals, currently benefits about 2.84 crores beneficiaries. A major portion of our corporate social responsibility initiatives from the pharmaceutical industry is dedicated to healthcare, from providing free or subsidized medications, supporting health educational programs, to funding medical infrastructure in underserved areas. The industry has invested in several community health projects. All of this aims to improve access to essential health services and enhance the overall well-being of communities. Indian pharmaceutical science is not just about meeting domestic needs, it's about ensuring global health security. During the COVID-19 pandemic, all of you are aware that Indian pharmaceutical companies manufactured and met over 60% of the world's vaccine demand and supplied critical COVID-19 drugs like Remdesivir and other life-saving medicines to across 150 countries across the globe. This entire credit should go to our pharmaceutical industry at affordable prices, exemplifying the spirit of our global solidarity. The world is relying on us for direction, research, excellence, and manufacturing might to fulfill future healthcare needs. Our industry's success is built on foundation of scientific excellence, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to quality. The contributions of our researchers, scientists, and healthcare professionals have been decisive. We have consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible, from developing advanced biologics and biosimilars to pioneering research in genomics and personalized medicine. The Indian pharmaceutical market is expected to grow at a rate of 12% annually over the next 5 years, driven by our robust R&D capabilities and state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. India exports pharmaceuticals to